Dear students, in our previous class we have discussed serial file organization. Now in our today's class we are going to discuss about sequential file organization. What actually the sequential file organization is? What is meant by sequence in general? You can say arrangement of something one after the other is called as a sequence. Is it right? Yes. Arranging something one after the other is called as sequence. So here what is meant by sequential file organization? The files in the file, the records which are organized sequentially one after the other can be read by the computer. So this process is called as sequential file organization. Come, we shall see how the files can be organized sequentially in computer. Records are stored, okay? Records are stored one after another in an ascending or descending order. Yes, records can be stored one after the other either in ascending order or in descending order by the key field of the records. You need to think what is meant by this key field. Key field means a unique identification number of a record is called as key field. For example, take your admission registers. Then if you want to find your name or your details, then you all are having one unique number given by your college, and that number is called as admission number. If we enter your admission number, then we will get all your details in our admission record. So that admission number is the key field. Key field means it does not match with any other records, because your name may be matched, your parents' name may be matched, address can be matched, date of birth can be matched with other students. Okay, your names are also matched with other students because same name students they may exist. Okay, parents are also having the same names of other student parents. Okay, they can match, but only the admission number cannot match with any of the students. So that unmatchable unique number is called as a key field. So each record is stored either in ascending order or in descending order by the key field of the records. Example, in payroll file, payroll means salary paying file. See, employee ID is the key field. Okay, only the ID number is the different. And one more thing, take your Aadhaar card. The Aadhaar number, what you are having in the entire population of India, no one can get the same number. That is the unique identification number. So it is called as UID. UID means unique identification number. So this unique identification number is called as key field. Like that, records are stored with the unique identification number, that is called as a key field. Example, in payroll file, employee ID is the key field. Okay, you have understood. Records are stored either in ascending order or in descending order with the help of a key field. Now, to access these records, the records whatever stored, to access these records, the computer must read the file in sequence. Okay, to access the records, to find the details of the records, the computer must read, okay, the file in sequence from the beginning. Read the file, whatever the records contained in the file, the computer needs to read one by one in sequence. Okay, after that, the first record is read and processed. The first record must be read by the computer, and whatever processing is there, computer should complete the process. After that, then the second record. Once the processing and reading of first record has finished, then the second record. Once the second record has finished, then come to third. It will move to third record. Once the third record processing and reading everything has finished, it will move to fourth record. Like that, sequencing one after the other. Okay, the file sequence and so on. Okay, first record, then second record, then third record, and so on. After that, to locate a particular record, if you want to search any particular record, okay, the computer program must read in each record in sequence. Okay, we are having a bulk of records. Bulk means many records. We want to access any one particular record. At that time, the computer will not directly move to that record. No, it will read from one record. First, second, third, fourth, then come to the particular record. Okay? And compare its key field to the one that is needed. Okay, see, we have given key field to this as CS1, 2, 3, CS5. Okay, and we want to search this file CS5, and all above are given as CS1, CS2, CS3 and CS4. Then at the time what it will do, see, compare its key field to the one that is needed. First it will check the first record, that is C1, and it will compare with C5. If not found, then it will move to CS2. It will check with, then it will compare CS2 with CS5. Not matched, then it will move to CS3. Compare CS3 with CS5. If not matched, then it will move to CS4. Then it will compare CS4 with CS5. If not matched, then it will come to CS5. Once it comes to CS5, then it will match with CS5. At that time, it will get and access the record for our use. Like this, in a sequence, files are organized. Hope you have understood what are the things I have told. Two more points regarding this thing, that is sequential file organization. Two more points are there. Now I am going to explain you all the 2 points. Now come to the last 2 points. As I have told, first, the retrieval search ends only when the desired key matches with the key field of the currently read record. I have shown that CS1, CS2 up to CS5. Only when CS5 has matched with CS5, then the retrieval of searching is going to be an end under sequential file organization. Okay. And last point is, on an average, about half of the file has to be searched to retrieve the desired record. This is not required, desired record. Desired record from a sequential file. This means about half of the files have to be read. That means we are searching any file in middle, any record in the middle of the file. Then it have to search all the records one after the other up to get the searching record. Okay, once when the searching record has matched, then the searching of retrieval is going to be stopped in sequential file access. Hope you have understood the concept. Next thing, we shall move to the next topic. Now, come to the next thing, that is random or direct file access organization. In sequential access, what the things will happen? It will check every record, and finally when the search record is matched, then it will stop searching. But under random search or direct access, how it will do? Here, a separate record number has given, just like the serial number. Okay, when we manage any records, then we will give serial number. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, by that serial number we can access directly to the record. Okay, this is the procedure here under random or direct access file organization will come. Direct access file organization allow immediate direct access to individual records on a file. Immediate direct access to individual records on a file, and then the records are stored and retrieved using relative record number, which is like the serial number. Serial number is also different in a record. In a file, serial numbers are also different. Okay, by that number, okay, here just like serial number, a relative record number has given to every record, but not exactly the serial number, like serial number. Okay, by that number, which the position of the record in the file, okay, which gives the position of the using a relative record number, just a minute, here, which gives in this case, which gives the position of the record in the file. Okay, as if you want to search the number 5th serial number, then it will give your record is in 5th position, like that. And then this type of organization, which type? Random or direct access file organization. This type of organization also allows the file to access sequentially. Here the files can also be accessed sequentially. How? One after the other, but not matching with the, but it will not match with every record. No, just if you enter your, that is relative record number, that is record number as 13, then directly the control will move to 13 and the record which is present in the 13th number will be accessed and shown to the user. Okay, this is how direct, that is random or direct access file organization will work. So dear students, in our next class we shall continue with some other type of classifications of serial file organization, that is file organization. If you have any doubts, you can ask me personally. Thank you.